Hi, this is the week 3 update. We finished 3 weeks of our summer class. We're almost halfway done. It's been going really well. On quiz 2, the median score was about 94%. That's great. Good job, everybody. It was a tough quiz, but you did well. The most common mistake came from misreading the WebAssign question. Uh, Especially on the optimization question, if it asks for the value, then it's asking for the output value of the function, the the, the output of f of xy. A lot of people put in the xy point, but you were supposed to put in the value. There was one other problem that gave people trouble, and maybe I'll show it on my iPad.
We'll solve this problem using the chain rule. The chain rule states that the derivative dz dt is equal to the partial derivative of f with respect to x at the point xy times dx dt plus the partial derivative of f with respect to y at that point times dy dt. This is fx. When t equals 6, we're given that x equals minus 5. And we're given that when t equals 6, y equals 1. Now, since x equals g of t, then the derivative of x is g prime, and we're interested in t equals 6, so we want g prime of 6. Similarly, this is fy of minus 5, 1 times h prime of 6. According to our given data, fx of minus 5, 1 is 6, g prime of 6 is minus 5, or rather, g prime of 6 is 2. Fy of minus 5, 1 is 0, and h prime of 6 is minus 4, and this comes out to 12.
Well, in this coming week, we're going to get deeper into multiple integrals. It's a lot of fun, and it's very challenging. It's maybe one of the hardest parts of the course because of the difficulty of dealing with three-dimensional regions and how to slice them up. The integrals themselves are usually not too hard, but dealing with those three-dimensional regions can get pretty tough. So we've got a really exciting week ahead of us, and I'm looking forward to it. See you in class.